Ah, fuck it. Might as well go live. I can show how badly I fucked up. God damn it. Why? Why just do this? Why me? Why? Anyway, how you doing? Why me? God damn it. I mean, it's not completely fucked up. The buttons kept their stuff. That's fine. Oh, God. Oh, God. Yeah, dear. Don't you burn me. Hello, Isaac. Hello, Twixter. Hello, Blip. I'm going to turn the TTS down a little bit. Oh, it's at 100%. Right. Everything was fucked. Ah. Yeah, so excited. What I'm less excited about is all of this. So energetic. Look, everything has been reset. Nothing is like referenced anywhere. Like all of the achievements, you know, the achievements that there's all these, different things I've hit, they've all been reset. They've lost their description, their name, the amount of viewers they require, and this is for all of them. And look how many fucking achievements there are. I spent forever naming all of these, coming up with unique names for each one of these. They're all gone. I am slightly. There is one upside. I did make a backup, but transferring the backup variables into like this is going to take forever still. Hello, Tantoel. And Dharma. And Hey. And tacos. And mango. Have you tried coffee or anything caffeine? Nah, I'm not really a coffee guy. Caffeine guy in general. Yeah. But yeah, all of this has been reset. All the things that they point to has been reset. And it's just going to take so long. All of that's been reset. Wait, all of these are going to be reset. Yeah. Oh, God. Oh, God. This at least kept its Boolean variables. That's something. And the UI is still the same, so that's good. At least I don't have to redo the UI. I just have to, all it is basically going to be me, dragging these variables across wherever they need to be and remembering where they are. Come again? Melted piece of cheese voice guy. That's me. Melted piece of cheese. And you know why this happened? You know why this happened? Because I was trying to get fucking 11 Labs set up right before stream. And then 11 Labs just fucked everything. No. No. Luckily, that's stored not in the program. Yeah, levels are fine. At least they should be. Let's just double check data levels. Because it's stored in an Excel. No, levels have been reset. Hmm. Wait, why is that? Oh, I know why that is. Yeah. So when I say it fucked up bad, so everything is gone. I think. Unless it's this. No, that's just how much they are. Bot's still alive. At least I kept the bots list. Achievements, is that gone? No, achievements are still there. Viewer pets. Pets are still there. Hmm. Yeah, try doing exclamation mark level. See what it says. See what it says. Fuck. Yep, level 0. All right. Well, the good thing is, it's the 3rd of the month. So we got backups. It's just the past 3 days. If anyone's leveled up, it's not going to be counted. But hopefully, yeah, there you go. Levels are saved in the backup. So don't worry. I have a backup. It's just anyone here level up in the past 3 days? Actually, we can check the redeem list. But yeah, I have the backups. Don't worry. I'm not a complete brainlet. I make backups automatically. But yeah, it cleared all the variables. They're all gone. Look at them. All of them are cleared. There's nothing. There's nothing left. The prefabs still have all their things, which is nice, and the UI is still intact. But like, it's all been reset. I don't even know why. I don't know why. No idea why. I just install 11 Labs package and they're all gone. I probably lost my level 6. Well, we'll have a look over the where are they? Here. The rewards queue. Luckily, we have, you know, the history. Only issue is we have to get to page 100 or the 161st. So 3 days ago. Nah, yours is fine. It was 5 days ago. It was in the last month. It would count. So it's just Clownty. I remember somebody leveled up. So I'm gonna have to give Clownty their Actually, I can just give their points back. They can just do it again because I'm lazy to manually do it. Level 9. Oh yeah, right. Mango was level 9. How could I forget? So yeah, we got a history anyway. Yeah, I'll just give the points back. But yours, not so much, Trickster. Don't even try it. Yeah, it's a huge loss for my time. This is gonna be like I can't. Obviously, I'm using like the previous build that I did. God damn it. Yeah, I wanted to add fucking 11 Labs voices for the stream, but then again, I don't even want 11 Labs to be like a voice you can use all the time because it'll fucking cost all my money if I just make it like a regular voice. It's probably just gonna be like a bit redeem. Use 11 Labs voices. But maybe it's for the best that I didn't enable it today because I would probably exceed the quota in one stream. But anyway, VP. Oh, yeah, yes. How could I forget? I gave Isaac VIP. How could I forget? But anyway, I'm gonna have to fix the problems first and then fucking drag all these back in. All the important things are like I back up, you know, viewer pets and redeems, I guess. Users, their roles, the raid list, nicknames, people's levels and commands and stuff. So they're all backed up. And voices. Anything important. But it only backs up once a month, just so you know. This doesn't get flooded. Chat logs, I assume that's still going to be the same. I don't even know why I store chat oh my god. How many times did you guys fucking message? When was that? 23rd of the 9th. God damn. Yeah. Restore from then, yeah. No, not quite the same. But yeah. I don't know why I've been storing these. I still need to figure out what to do with chat logs. But look, I've got every single message ever. Turn out the TTS. Yeah, well, if you were here yesterday, you should be used to this voice by now. Anywho, we're not going to get down in the dumps about that. That's just going to be my fucking evening and morning, I guess. Actually, not that I have a morning. I wake up in the evening. No, it's not going up. It's staying at, was it 40%? Yeah, staying at 40%. I ain't turning that shit up. Not after yesterday. Anyway. Enough broken stuff. No. Don't you fucking start with me. Alright, well, no one's queued up any music, so I am going to take the reins. Today... Sad. Well, it's too late now. It's too late. Sad songs. Oh, and I forgot to play. Sad music. There you go. Anyway, I made some progress. On the bright side, I've made some progress. With Tank Team. I see Pandas by Rip Panda. Which one's he? I don't remember his cosmetics. I cannot understand a word. The monocle. Oh, that one. Rip. Should hold a funeral for him. Put a little gravestone instead. Anyway, there was something else I was gonna do. What was it? Fuck. What was it? I can't remember. Only that. What was it? Fuck, I was gonna do something. Memory, do not fail me. Right, yeah, I was gonna give Doctor the IP. How was it? Uh-huh. Uh-huh. No, I'm working today. I'm not playing today. Wait. Please tell me this hasn't done it. Okay, phew. I thought this had done the same thing the other one had. That was Unity wide. Alright, thank God. Alright. Shut the fuck up. Temporarily shut the fuck up. I want to show off what I've done. Watch this. Watch this. You wait for this. Watch this. Alright. Watch this. Oh. 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 Oh, look at that. That's a weird thing. But there you go. I made the thing and I made the back. Look at that. Anyway, there you go. You can have your TTS back. I still needed to make it so it doesn't like whip the camera across from where you were to where you are. But there you go. Yeah, honestly, most of yesterday making this fucking fence. Individually placing all these fucking triangles. Yeah. I also need to change the footsteps sound so it doesn't sound like we're in an empty room anymore. There you go. We're at camp. Made the fence, made truck. Yeah, it needs a window. We'll see. It doesn't need headlights. It's the day. Who turns on headlights in the day? I can make them like, yeah, not on. Anyway. Okay. I'm sad, but I'm not this sad. Truck. Yeah, no, I'm good. A light bar. Yeah, I'm not a truck guy. I don't know what a light bar is. But I can add. Too bad. You had your chance. I'm in control now. Window. I don't know what trucks look like. Window. Fucking done. Boom. Window. Is that what you wanted? Uh-huh. What if we did this? There you go. Window. Now let me just check something real quick. Does that work with SVG? No. That does not work with SVG. God damn it. And headlight. There we go. Mm-hmm. Is that good enough? You happy? Ah, how could I forget the whatever that is? I also need to make this square front. Uh, I don't think actually it's 2. Boom. Sucks SVG. SVG so good. What you want? Okay. You guys are being no help. Fuck you. There's your window and you're pissing. Not O's, zeros. They've made a discovery. The hive mind has made a discovery. Now let's fix this camera issue. Yeah, honestly, I don't even know Scar. Hello, Scar. Save me. Help me. Guess we gotta do this from here. There is none. Welcome to the land of unproductivity and TTS AIDS. I don't know. I assume because you changed it. Oh wait, no. What the fuck? Why is? When did I make Vietnamese the default? Who did that? I don't remember doing that. How is Vietnamese the default? What the fuck? I actually don't remember doing that. All right, back to that. All right, now it shouldn't be. Why would I do that? There we go. How it should be. Oh, yeah. All right. Teleport. Brett, you can change your voice to whatever you want. Oh, right. You don't have the level to do it. You don't have the level to do it because it's Actually, you know what? No. For this stream, no. You get to be a default white bitch. Who the fuck you call dense? Yeah, let's go. Bro, my cat's snoring. He's such a fucking loud snorer. You always have been British, you fuck. That. Alright, let's see if the camera's fixed now. Fucking better be. Joe mama. I have no comment on that. There we go, look at that. That's sick. Epic fail. Actually, you know what? Let's try something new. What accent do you want this time? I'll change the default. What do you want? You get one choice. I have all of these. No, I'm not doing Australian. It's too simple. That's not a language. Last I checked. Ah, right, same thing. Italian. Try Italian. Not Japanese or Korean. Yeah, Italian will do. Prego. No, you get Italian and you will be happy. Now, so we've got the intro. This is gonna get very stereotypical real quick and borderline offensive. Oh. Prego. Prego is the new oppa. It doesn't have the same ring, does it? Alright, so this is what we gotta make. We've done this. This is done. Oh, actually, you know what we should do? Tutorial. Oh my god, they're synchronizing. Are you done? No, still more. Are you done? No. I listened to what I want, bro. I listened to what I want. You had your chance, but you blew it. You blew it. No, you're just gonna have to wait till next stream. Kick. Alright, so finally, some goddamn silence. Oh, I can think. Oh, do ya? I gave you plenty of time. Plenty of time. And nobody queued anything. So now I am in control. Just some nice, relaxing. I mean, it's fucking Steven Universe music. Like, surely you TikTok frogs like that stuff. Alright. Focus. Focus. Equals. Press. Come again. Yep. For what reason? What are you up to? I don't trust that. That's oddly specific. What do you want? What do you want? What do you want, Leaf? Alright, let's see how this goes. No, there's always a reason with you. Always a goddamn reason. If what worked? Dare I ask? Mm-hmm. The bugs? The fuck? Um, just there? Oh no, there. There's nothing. There you go. You're welcome. First tutorial. Okay, that's all up. Didn't know I did it. See, I'm too good. Coded around it. Hide. Visible. Oh shit. I should not call it that. There we go. Okay, first tutorial, that. Animator, there. Cool. So by default, got hidden parameter for showing. Okay. Da, 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 like that. Okay. It's true. Show thing. And then when show is false. And the same thing. There we go. That's a simple little first tutorial thing. Now I've got to animate it. Lovely. My favorite. Then we need there we go. Okay, and then here. Scalar. It's the display text. The scalar text is visible. Yeah. Round. So okay, there we go. Cannoli. Alright, actually, you know what? This, you know what? Fuck it. You can have Vietnamese back, but you're all gonna be women. I'm curious to see how it sounds. I know you do. I didn't do anything. You are a woman, and you will like it. Oh, I forgot the. Come again. Oh wait. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Not keeping this one. Try a different Vietnamese male then. Okay. Let's try another one. Yeah. No, I'm good. So just none of them are good. What about this one? Why do they all sound the same? Not to be racist. Oh fuck it. You know what? You can keep your pissing. That's not that one. There. You can have it back. You're welcome. You're welcome. Who's that meme song? Long enough. Fucking fine. Fine. How the fuck is this better? Alright, this is the tutorial. Okay. When we want to wait for like 2 seconds. Alright, and then we want to. Actually, no, this should be 125. Why not? So it waits 2 seconds. Hello, Opal. How you doing? Welcome back to the worst stream on Twitch with the worst TTS on Twitch. Alright, let's do that. So, he is back. The king has returned. Okay, then both to 0. Okay. There you go. Start tutorial. And visible will have that. Oh, we should also actually turn on the parent. Turn on the parent. That sounds wrong. Hidden. Goddamn Fallout. No, it's not. What movie is this from? I'm here with my girl. Pog! Hello, girl. Fuck are you saying? It do. That's I don't want to set the world on fire, isn't it? Or the one that they used. I don't remember. I've never played Fallout. Or maybe some like Bioshock shit. I don't know. And then parent gets turned off. Is it? Oh yeah, wait, what's on the queue? Oh yeah, it's just playing. It's still playing the sad crying playlist. 1 second. I just have to play a song. Search, and that should clear it. Turn off repeat. There you go. It's annoying that it doesn't have just a button to clear the queue. It used to, but I don't know where I got this. No, and it's okay. Well, now I'm having PTSD. Man, I had to fucking listen to this soundtrack in an interesting mental state. That's not quick enough. 1 second. I'll do. There you go. Simple initial tutorial thing. What you guys wanted, right? You wanted a tutorial. There you go. You're welcome. Wowie indeed. There's not been as much. Oh, look at that. Oh, it's not in a very good place. John Madden. Maybe like. That makes one of us. 170. Try that. 170. Not 170. There we go. 170 from 145. Might need to make this actually a bit longer as well. It might be. If we're in the process of showing. And show becomes false, so they do it before. There you go. There you go. New game's going good. Just working on it at the moment. We're just redesigning the The starting area. Don't you fucking up by me. Before the sort of like lobby area. Oh no, he said apple. Never mind. Before we had this shitty little grey box that was like the lobby area. Didn't like that. So now we're redesigning it to like a military base, so it's at least above ground and not as grey and shitty. Is the plan. Whether I actually get any work done with all this goddamn TTS, who knows? Guess we'll see. Hide goes from 70 to 145. Yeah, what the fuck are you talking about? Alright, let's try that. So, oh, it's not going to show now. Oh, no, it is. It is. Oh, fuck. Oh, wait, maybe I should make this come from above. Wait, where do you guys think? Above or below? Should it come up top here or down low here? Probably up top, right? What do you think? Opinions. Below? Fuck. Alright, fine. Alright, fine. Below it is. Oh, you are Finions. My Finions. Better than Findustrians. My little Finions. I mean, it's kind of a shit word, but... Then you press escape. Tutorial, baby. Let's go. Anyway, then you host a game, yada yada, and then you get drafted. Nice. I need to remove the echo effect. Mm-hmm. Me too. Amazing. Oh, I need. Okay, I gotta pause. I can't hear the footsteps. Shut the fuck up. Shut the fuck up. Yeah, I'm gonna need to find like a grass sound. God damn it. Well, I'll keep this one for when you're in the tank, actually. We might need some reverb. Just when we're outside, we don't want it to sound like we're... Yeah. But for that, I know what to do. We just have to make it so whatever room you're in... private... Audio effect... Footstep effect. Oh, we also need footstep sounds. Footsteps. Just footsteps. Footstep. Right, okay. Look over here. A footstep. So, if room equal to null, and room dot footsteps dot length greater than 0, not equal to null. There we go. This. Otherwise, we just use the default. We're not in a room, aka in a tank. Alright. Copy, pesto. Play. They're good. No, probably fine. Come again. Do you know? Fine. that what you wanted? So, we're gonna need like... I'll do first steps later. Right now I need to do the artwork. Egu, egu. Oh, bye. The only downside with this is that it's gonna take like a second or two more to like... Ah, shit. It wasn't interrupting. Oh, no, it's fine. It's only because I have admin hacks I can do that, but normally you'd have to do that to open a game. Okay, that's fine. Yeah, what do we need? Let's start with, so we've got either tower, little tent. Tent's probably actually the easiest thing to set up. So start with the tent. Cool, cool. Oppa. Actually, I kind of want to see what it looks like. Hello, Bapple and Newtonium. How you doing? Every time you change the TTS, it lags. What lags? What is it? I play the pronoun game with me. Yeah, dude. Another documentary on the secrets of the bite training camps and the horrors they've seen and gone through. The mass murders and genocides. See ya, Leaf. I didn't fuck up the TTS. I fucked up the levels. So nobody has a level anymore. And it only loads them at the start of, you know, when I open the app. CBA to reopen it. But it's not changed. No, it's still there. It's just, you know, I fucked up like 2 seconds before the stream started. So shut up. I am forcing it, yes. I mean, I can do it, but then I have to restart stream, and that's like, I have to press at least 4 buttons. Okay, what's going on here? Why is it just black? Why is it just black? It does, doesn't it? I know, I know. Oh yeah, struggles. Hmm. Hmm. Why is it black? I don't get it. It does. It does. It says everyone's level 0. It might be because the entire project was kind of wiped in a way. And then when it was wiped, it then saved the wiped everything. So yeah, not great. Honestly, it shouldn't have done that anyway. So I don't know. I have to look into that. Why is this not? I don't get it. Why are you suddenly now just a black screen? Oh, it's probably the fade. What the fuck? Did it fade? Okay. Okay. Alright, fine. I'll change your pissing fucking... God damn it. Have your bloody levels back. Fine. Fine. 12, 2023. Oh, I know. Wait, yeah? Yeah. Fine. You can have it back. Have your levels. As soon as this has 1 kilobyte? Why's Clownty in there? Anyway, delete. Paste. There you go. Alright. No, I don't have to end stream. I just have to reopen the app. And that's like 4 button presses, dude, and like a copy paste, which like is a lot of work. There you go. You should have your levels back. Although all the music's gone, so sorry, not sorry. I warned you. But there, you've all got your levels back. Don't have your TCS back though. That's a whole nother thing. Do I press that button? You know, do I copy paste that? I mean, to be fair, actually no, you've got all this. That didn't actually clear. Never mind. Yeah, your music queue's been cleared, so I hope it was worth it. There you go. Which I guess in the meantime, on with the sad playlist. Well, I guess we'll let this play out. Uh-huh. Is this the only... Bye, guys. Thanks for coming by. Wait, does it not? Ah. Okay, so I guess it's not the intro bit. Damn it. Why is the screen black? I don't get it. I don't get it. Ay, ay, ay. Okay. It's just gonna keep looping this, I guess, until there's oh, there is music. Okay, good. So, why is this fucking thing black? Get it? How do you request exclamation mark music and then the search query or a Spotify link? One of the two. Yeah, why the fuck is this like this? I don't get it. I don't get it. Like it's not. It's. I guess I just moved. This. It must be this. Yeah, exclamation mark music followed by whatever you want. Title and artist or whatever. It just searches Spotify for whatever you put in. So make it as obvious as possible for Spotify to find it. Or you can put in a direct link. It doesn't work with mobile links though, so yeah, don't do that. No, don't say it. Intro? No, it's not fading. It's not even fading because there's no text. Oh, I'm so baffled. Maybe if I put in dev build abuse. What did he do? What? I didn't add anything to the what? Ay, 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 ay. Oh no, not an actual fucking tutorial. I've started. Jesus, trying to get the game to not show a black screen first. Give me a break, Dharma. It's just the thing that says escape. Press escape, then you press escape, and then it disappears. That's it. But there is no tutorial really. Let's count that. Why is it showing a black screen? I don't get it. I don't get it. Not like even. It's not showing the camera. If it's showing the camera, it would have a blue background. So it's showing like some UI or something. Maybe. I assume it's this. The other type of fade. If I disable that. If I disable that. Plus Dharma Fox by Dharma Fox for a second. Yeah, there you go. It's that fucking bitch and piss and fucking shit. Why are you black? That's the last. Dharma wishes. Oppa. Okay, here. So. Fade. Where is this being set to black? Tunes. This isn't. Oh, it's not even used at all. I am gonna stream every day, and well, we'll see. We'll see if I get burnt out. I'll stop whenever I want to stop. You know, I do as much as I can. I'm not committing to anything. But we'll see. We'll just see. Okay, why? If I delete that and play it, it'll tell me where it's actually used. Not used in game. Yeah, it's used here. And cameras, right, of course it is. You did it. You did it. Yeah. Hello, Apple. Just trying to fix a black screen bug. Oh, here. Why? So, what? So it sets it to. Why would it do this anyway? I guess I deleted the bit that uses this. Huh. Oh, it's here. Buh. Is this not used anywhere? Not. Okay. Can I add this? No, we don't actually need that. What we do need. Goddamn surf's up. I only say that because it says it on the monitor. Alright, we don't need that. So when we're on bench, if actually no wait, we don't need this. Just not this. We do that. Darken screen. Okay, and then when we're in bench, if icons.loaded pulse fade What is it? Lerp. Fade, that's it. 0 to 1. No. 0. Speed. Font size. Room fade. That'll do. And actually we don't need that there. We need that here. Just do nothing here. Oh no, and if it is loading, yeah, there we go. Do nothing. Oh no. Better coding. Let's just do this and that and this and that and boom. Cool. Alright, that should fix our little problem. Oh, hello, Tony. Your boy Tony gonna chillax in the background playing Splatoon. Pog, I think. I've never played, but I assume Pog. Got good music. That's all I know. Ah! No, it's not happy. Why not happy? Did I not? Nah. Cool. Hi, hello, Lava. How you doing? How you doing? Welcome in, welcome in. Alright. What are we doing? Build. Alright, let's build this. See what this looks like. Don't you fucking start with me, Twixter. Don't you fucking start with me. Very good. It's not the same. You gotta be Vietnamese. The only way it works. Hey, there we go. Why is this so low res? Fucking 1920. There you go. Nice. Yeah, just I need some wind. Looking at it. It's nice, isn't it? Okay. He's picking the fight. That's it. That's it. I mean, if I say that, what can I do? I know you do, but I know you do. Fucking Joji. Never really listened to any of his music. Yeah. I only know the song from memes. Oh no, 3001 was right. Wait, why is this not? Oh, it's not that. It's 2500. No, where is this? 2200. What an odd number. Okay. Wind. Wind. BRB. BRB. It is. That is correct. All right. There you go. Got some nice wind. I think that'll look nicer. And then we host. Ah, what a shame. I was really looking forward to that. Really wanted your autograph. Yeah, big movie star. A proper Finney Wood celebrity. Oh, why there's boxes behind that? But they're not here. God damn it. I just do 1. 2. 1. Yeah, nice. Cool. Right, is that all I need to do? No, that's on 1, so this actually has to be 2. 2. 2. 3. You're not being able to talk? I mean, yeah, you do. As long as you don't end up doing what the others did. Use your power. I was going to say responsibly, and then he said that. God damn it. All right, there we go. At least it works now. At least it works. It's not. Actually, that reminds me. It's not broken. I just remembered it only works in the VTuber app because I wanted to, sync it over the network so people playing the game can also hear the sounds, and you can't really do that if it's just on my Twitch app. So I made it so it plays it through the VTuber app. That way, everyone gets to hear all the things. I haven't actually made it so it does that yet, but it's on the to-do list. So it's by design. Trust me. I promise. All right, so we need to make... What do we need to make? 10. All my fellas. But 10. Yeah. 10. 10. 10. Ah, fuck, it's a path. Damn it. Hmm. 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 That good? That's good. Where are my Japanese? I mean, they're there. They're on the list. You just gotta do these commands. Oh, there he goes. He got him. He got him real good. No, it's 50-50. Wait, what? He timed out blip dip with 1p. Yeah, that's with only 1p on each of the double P's. You timed out your inferior self. Okay. So this needs to be like a green. Should I have a green? They go to hell for a potty mouth. All right. Is that a goddamn weeboo? Another day, another weeboo. Faku. 10. Pog. Weeboo. Weeboo. There we go. That's the roof. Weeboo. Okay. What? We're weebooing about weeboo. So let's do square. I need to go more down. Boo boo. That's more like 3D. Weeboo. I think weeboo might be the funniest thing to me. Samir. Weeboo. Be apple sap. That's the first. I guess that's how it's pronounced from now on. You'll be apple sap. Good to know. We also need some foreground. I'm gonna have to separate this to two images. Damn it. All right. I see. Tents usually have like a back wall. Let's just give it a back wall. All right. Actually, that's far down. Dude, maybe. That's me. um. Who doesn't love a fiddle? Bam, 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 bam. How dare you? How dare you leave me? My time of need. Daddy Finn. Dash me. Actually, 10 don't usually go all the way to the bottom. Usually like a little gap. I don't know. We'll see. Maybe. Without it's probably bare, isn't it? It just looks a bit like bare. I don't make it not bare. Yeah, no, you can do one person. It's just very hard. That's totally an option. You have one player teams. Weeboo. But I mean, it's designed for multiple people though. Most fun. Yeah, Markiplier. Apply. Hmm. Hmm. Oh, what the fuck? I think it's taken a while to process that message. He might have actually just broken it. Great, he broke my TTS. And I'll read out for him. Your order, print order. Oh, this. Okay. Yeah, try again. I'm really interested to know about your delivery. It might be because it was too long. I think I made it. Maybe says a max limit of characters. I don't remember. I can't wait for this. All right. Let's just whack this in. We can see what it looks like and see what it needs. Nine is chin in Vietnamese. The fuck? I can't do laundry. Sag. Smelly clothes ass. Motherfucker. There we go. What are you fucking buying? Shiraz Cabernet Sauvignon miniature. You buying wine? Oh, you have a girlfriend now, right? Wait, why so much wine? Cereals and cereal bars. Nice. No pesto on that list, so I'm disappointed. Oh, don't even start that. think the TTS is slightly dying now. Oh, there you go. Well, if you were wondering about Avian's fucking as for delivery, there you go. It's just like ass. So first of all, don't need that. Second of all, this could be curved. So it's just not so uniform. Ooh. Boo. What? Weeboo. Weeboo. Ba, 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 ba. Wait, don't get my diz. Alright, add a bit of curvature to it. Alright, go export. Also don't stand out much, so. Peter Pablo. Huh. Weeboo. Red lorry, yellow lorry, red lorry, yellow lorry, red lorry, yellow lorry, yellow. Fuck. Peter Bieber. Yeah, that's a bit better. Okay. Maybe I should add like a back. Oh, actually, wait. Change this one into like. Wee woo. Wee boo. See what it's like with a shadow. Oh shit. Yeah, choose first. Crazy. A little bit of darkness helps. I think actually a bit. To be fair, that was your first message. Look at that. Technically. This is kind of a bop. I can't tell whose is who. So I'm just gonna say maybe. Oh, this is Adventure Time. Yeah, that's bad. Only issue is need to make half of this come in front, half of this go behind. And front. So for the front, we don't want the back stuff. Delete. Maybe. No. Mainly because I added the Q, what do you call it? Decoration sticker thing. But there you go. That's the Q. You're not on it. But at the yeah, in the VTuber app is where the Q is now. Not that. This. Up. Oh. There we go. And we export both of these. Oh, who put this on? Fucking Twigster. Bop. Absolute bop. He knows this song gets me. Yeah, no, that's. Wait, what did he queue up? Five Nights at Freddy's. Yeah, well, you weren't exactly very clear, were you? FNAF lights out 1 hour. That sounds like a YouTube video. I cry every time. Oh, you ruined it. This actually needs to be above player. There we go. Okay. Just false. False. I'm a virgin. Alright. Is that good? Fuck. Okay, no one's gonna see that. There. There we go. Oh, that is. Ooh. Oh, it's not perfect. Must be perfect. Oh, no, it's not. I think this is as far as it's not even like let me drag anymore. It's so zoomed in, but it must be perfect. 7. Oh, that looks pretty spot on to me. Maybe another. Oh, how do we go from that bop to this? How do we go from the bop to this? Daycare theme from Security Breach. Yeah, no, I'm good. I have to preserve some of my sanity, if possible. Alright, so we'll have some shit in this tent. For now, crates. Weeboo! 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 Weep. I can't stop saying weeboo. It's too catchy. God, I hate this song. Hello? What the fuck? Can I click on the... Weeboo! Weeboo! Why have you done this to me, Tony? Bam, 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 bam. That was a sarcastic thank you. Wait, did I even say thank you? No, I didn't even say. Oh, whatever. I'm losing my mind. The weeboo effect. Uh, 10! And look, I can go inside it. I think it does need a background. Background being nice curved thing instead. I'll add a bench. Already got a bench. Come again. Eh? Okay, and then background. Try that. Something like that. Hard to tell without the front. Will Big Slappy be added to this? What the fuck is a Big Slappy? Actually, I'm not. No, actually, no. Don't answer that. Don't answer that. I don't want to know. still too high up. Unfortunately, no. Can't say I've ever had the pleasure. Ah, okay. Explains it. Right, who plays TF2 anymore? Cringe. Hmm. Okay, let's do this. Gonna get rid of that one. This one. There we go. There you go. All right, that should keep him entertained. All right, so let's get it like this. Bed needs to shut up any second now. Yeah, there we go. What? Program error? What do you mean program error? One of those AI. Well, it's the AI person. The one that started it all. Started the trend. I don't even know her name. Not gonna look it up. Well, she's on the popularized it, I'd say. Not sure if she invented it, but hmm. Nah. Don't need that. Yeah. Just don't need it. Just don't need it. I fill it with other stuff. Fill it with other stuff. Hello, tacos. Yeah, it's very focused. Good. How many fucking weeboos is that? Apparently just now. All right. So, kind of good enough. No, I don't. I don't like that. He has. He has. There we go. Well, it's for fucking ever to make a tent, but good enough. So what does this need? I put in like a table and like a radio on it, which might play music. Gonna be asked to make a table. Fine. Fine. Table. Full. Table. Table. How do we have this song every fucking stream? Oof. You should check that. Mm. Yep. Oh, actually, no, that's not even. Fuck it about there. No, no, you do not. No, no, you do not. Maybe I should make the legs grey. Actually, no, there's already too much grey in the scene. Brown table will do. Knights of the brown table. All right. Up. I feel like this song probably not that I played it, but sums up. Shut the fuck up. I feel like this song is probably just, and I haven't played it, but what Lethal Company is in a nutshell. Even in outer space. Oh wait, no, not 10. Table. Let's try that. Oh yeah, and Deep Rock Galactic. True. Hmm. Make it black. Transparentor. A nice little shadow. Okay. It's a table. Good enough. Yes, Tony. No, I'm not giving you uppies, Tony. No matter how many times you ask. Table. It's not a bench. Bench would be this. There you go. I can add a bench. It's behind, which is not good. Okay, no, I'm going to make these fences actually just back a bit. Bench. Back, 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 back. One at a time, boys. One at a time. There we go. Now it should appear in front, which is good. Bench, sorted, done, added. Well, that's why I've got this thing, this tower, which I'm not sure I'm ready for all this art. It does. Well, actually, no, falling has a point because there's bombs. You forget about bombs. Imagine forgetting about bombs. It's your mother. I know. Shocking. Why no Finder one uppies? You get Finder one uppies when you earn Finder one uppies. Bench. God damn it. No. What does that even mean? It's Leaf. Blame Leaf. It was Leaf. Leaf requested this. Look. Oh no! Wait, what the fuck? Where is it? Why is this not updating? Hmm. This is interesting. It's not in the history. Oh no, there it is. What? Did it skip your? Well, either way, it was Leaf. Oh yeah, you can't see that. It's right there. I don't know why it's adding to the bottom. Interesting. Maybe that makes sense. I don't know. I'm a cry in a corner. I mean, you can. What? Split into bits. Uh-huh. Well, what does that look like? No, 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 no. All right, now the wind is goddamn above the. There we go. No, 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 no. All right, well, there you go. That's don't just nothing. Shh. It wasn't my choice. Okay. Should they know? This was recommended by Leaf. This song, just FYI. But I have no idea what the fuck you're talking about. Start speaking sense. Oh yeah, that. Well, I'll put it up to a vote. we are a democracy. Oh shit. Thank you, Leaf. Pool, not the other one, not the shit Leaf. The better Leaf. The Dharma sub. Well, Bappa says more. One sec. We are a democracy. Keep TikTok. Fuck. Yeah. Hell no. But thank you, Liverpool. Yeah, no, he's very rude. Don't give him anything. Doesn't deserve it. Uh-huh. So basically just kill my stream. Oh, it's tied. There is no verdict, then it stays on. Oh, well, there you go. Is it too much? Is it too much? All right, well, it seems, mm-hmm. Yeah, it makes a bit of both. Little column A, little column B. All right, well, there it goes. 83% is gone. Back to, yeah. It's gone. It's gone. Anyway, hello, Chosen. How you doing? It has been decided. Yeah, see, we're a democracy kind of sometimes. Like, occasionally. Oh my god. Imagine not looking at the poll. Anyway. Well, that's enough room. So now we need... What? Oh, show the queue in the corner? No. No, I cannot. Spectating. Yeah, I can't show it. There is no way to show it. Because if I do, then I have to go here, but then I can't read chat. So you're just going to have to suck it up. Your song's coming at some point. You're not going to know when, and I don't feel like you should need to. The point. Like, does it change anything? No. Dual monitor. It's a single application. I mean, I could just read this chat, but then this chat's cringe. Then I see all the bot messages. You know, cringe. Why do you need it? Like your songs, it's not gonna speed up knowing when your song's coming. You know, just use your phone. It's okay. I'm not even gonna respond anymore. Closing. You a lawyer? Ah, big brain. There you go. Proper solutions. Thank you, Lee. Nah. Each button is a character. Also, I need to make this first to actually save. Save.saveable resource.key pass. Key. True. Ah. What? What? What in the name of TTS? Oh, moderate problem square, moderate solutions. True. True. Probably because you chose to. Hmm. It's nice to be able to fall asleep in like 2 minutes. Takes me like an hour or so to fall asleep nowadays. My sleep schedule is all over the place. So if I start a game, oh, it still works. Still zooms in nicely. Nice. I want the good old American voice. Well, you know what to do. All the voices are here. Just got to copy the right command. A tutorial. All right. Oh, this is like the bare minimum needed for a lobby. You know. Mm. Actually, I should probably change the now that you guys can control your things again. I can change because I think the default is Japanese. Yeah, the default is Japanese. Let's change that back to English. I just usually go with this one. But there you go. All right, now it's back to a legible one. Okay. It does. Oh, this is dark by default. Damn it. Yeah, it's a little bit too dark. This bench is kind of hard to see. I think it's because of the grey. Ah, well. What happens if I get rid of. Actually, wait, let's see something. If I get rid of these. And then we lower. The parallax. Oh, that's not good. That better? Nah, that's not better, is it? Too much movement makes what you're looking at, like the fence moving as well as the background moving. See you, Papo. If I'm whatever you're about to do. Yeah, no, I think we need the background. The hills. Just, can I make them like brown or something? Oh, brown actually might be nice. You gotta change your TTS if you want me to be able to understand your messages. What the fuck was that? There we go, some nice dirt. Nope, I don't think anyone did, and I can't be asked to read this message. Okay, let's see. Better. Ish. Okay, so then we change this to... It's better. Sorta. Sounds Indian. So do I make this other shade of brown? Or... Fuck, I make a brown. We need more brown, you know? Too much green. We need some dirt. Alright, so you get kidnapped. Press escape thing. If I press escape now, it shouldn't ever show up again. Hopefully. Yeah, the brown works better. Yeah, but how the path is just the floor. That. Okay, well now, now I fucking goddamn it. Oops. It sounds like this fucker. I don't know why these voices just keep reminding me of people. I don't know if anyone's ever watched the series Suits on Netflix. Where is he? Sounds like this guy. This guy. Oh yeah, ignore all this. It's like this German therapist. Yeah. Lewis is very troubled man. It sounds like this guy. I don't know why. I just keep thinking these TTSs. I don't honestly. I watched that show. It's about American lawyers. I don't understand a word of what they're saying. Like they'll say stuff like, and the show like it does. I mean, a bit more like chill. Not as fast, but no, it sounds the same. Sounds the same. But like I watched this show and like I don't understand anything. I just kind of watch it because it's one of those like shows that you can just put on. It's kind of mindless because you don't need to understand anything. It's all lawyer talk. But like they'll say something, and the other characters react like it's a big thing, and like it saved them, and like, and I just have no idea what the fuck it means. Like, okay, yeah, sure. Yay, that saved the day. That thing you did a thing. You sound like my mother. All right, so yeah, I think the brown works better. Still not great for the bench because the bench is also brown, but yeah, it is what it is. Unbelievable. Objection relevance. Yeah, exactly. But yeah, it's definitely a show for lawyers. Anywho. Well, we got everything. Now I just need like something to block off the end. What's because we're developing in software. I would do tank team, but I mean, nobody will find the stream then. I might as well have like some fucking, you know, chance at least. Hearsay. I don't actually think I picked up any like lingo from the show. Motion to dismiss. Dude, you timed out Markiplier? No. Annoying. Markiplier is like my biggest viewer. What the fuck? Dude, don't pick on Mr. Beast either. Come on. Don't scare him off. One of my most loyal viewers. Don't do it. Please. I need him. That should be far enough. He hasn't been abusing TTS. He's just a model viewer. But now you're trying to ban him. I mean, come on. Let's just put a big ass box. We'll just make this collider. Oh. So hopefully you guys can't get over this. If you somehow manage to get over this, I'll be very impressed without using hacks. Actually, the same thing goes for here. Probably that pretty high because there are bombs now. All right. Actually, speaking of bombs. Where are bombs? Iron? Yeah. Oh god. Well, yeah. Other than hacks. And here comes the Legally Blonde. Where should I put the bombs? Well, I put it over here. You know what? Oh no, that's not the right one. Where is it? That was the old one. By the way, just not trying to say anything, but the skip command does exist. Just FYI. just you know, not trying to say anything, but there ain't enough. Well, fuck, 5 people. Yeah. It's fine. I feel like it's probably too high anyway. So 30%. Let's make it 15. Just totally unrelated, of course. Put this. There it goes. I also added a sound effect so you can tell when you've skipped something. But there you go. It actually works. Good. Sorry, I said it's a 15%. Takes like 3 votes now. Yeah, well, it's kind of the point. Anywho. Ugh. Oh, my back. Ugh. I might add a fairly long cooldown to the skip command. Oh, there isn't even a. That might be a good way to counter like people spamming skip for every song. Just add a cooldown of like 3 minutes or something. Smidge. Well, it's not. Maybe it's almost playable. Feedback. Wait, why is that showing us? God damn it. Yep. Pitch. Also feedback. What was it? Shut up. Skip on cooldown. Yeah, but there's also a 5 minute like, or however many minute. I think actually I reduced it, but it should be higher by default. Okay, so why is this not saving? It should save it as true. And yeah, shouldn't. I know. Hopefully if I save. Yeah, I see it. It's sure. Yeah, but then I'd have to sync that in a network side, otherwise, because it's all client side at the moment. I don't know. Maybe not. It's not a top priority right now. Bomb. I drop it here. Oh, let's hit something. Come on, there we go. We're in, boys. We're in, boys. Just hide. Oh, shit. Wait. Oh, damn it. Why is... Damn it. I need to change the parallax. No. Maybe. Why does this do this? Yeah. Offset. Not there. The city is gone. It's dead. There we go. That's much better. Copy. Wait. Oh, dang. You can still see him. No. Pushing off of this fucking song. What the hell? Jack Stauber. Jack Stauber. Actually, Jack Stauber's Micropop. I'll have you know. Alright. There we go. So yeah, now I think it's playable. I did not. I didn't say anything about it. I just said you got the name wrong. I don't think you guys insulted by getting its name wrong. Ba-bum. Get kicked out. Yeah, you can do bombs to propel yourself forward. That's how you travel distances in this game. So honestly, it's good enough. Right? Obviously, needs a lot more stuff, but like, this will do for now. Obviously, needs the bunker here. Stuff. Oh, let's just check that leaving works. Actually, wait. Let's just background's moving good. Yep. We leave. I mean, the amount of time it takes for a bomb to explode, probably not worth it. I could reduce it, but I'm not sure if I should. Because then people won't have time to dodge it. I don't know. I do want to make the the interior of the game more chaotic. Let's have a little brainstorming session, boys. Let's get in a game. Not an actual game. I mean, sort of just me. Why? What the fuck? What? What? Where's this text gone? Great. Love little bugs. Teams. With me. Alright, here. Why you're not alive? Why are you invisible? You should only be invisible. Are you enabled? No. You are enabled. Oh no, is enabled is false. Why is that false? Why enabled false? If you're not in game, that's enabled false 3 times. Not in game and get my player. Oh, no, I definitely have a player, so it's not that. So if parental current is not equal to and change team. Oh, right. I just need to uh-huh. So I just realized something. Don't take offense. I'm highly offended. So yeah, I think. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Right. Can change team. There you go. So now if I do this. Yeah, cool. Okay, it's just because I had that turned off. God damn it. Up. And save. Motherfucker. Alright, there we go. Now I think that's all the bugs fixed. Well, that I know of. Now, let's do some brainstorming. Also, I need to add sound effects to this intro scene. Hoppa. Oh, shit. Can move while it's in the intro. If intro dot is animating equals true, and do not want to be able to do that. All right, then we spawn. Brr. Start game. Brr. Oh, we also need to make sure that we can teleport back and we go to the right place. You can't. Okay. So it's gone. It's just gone. Because why do you need to know when your fucking song is coming out? What difference does it make? You know? Unnecessary information. And just clogs up chat unnecessarily, you know? For no real benefit. They could not find a reason to keep it. Especially when we also have, you know, in the VTuber app, a way to see it anyway. In a non-disruptive to chat manner. Now, saying it multiple times doesn't make it more hurtful, you know? Everything's working. That's good. Don't see there's anything else. What the fuck? That just like bounce off another one? A3. God damn it, they bounce off each other. That probably shouldn't happen. Weeboo. I think me and Tony just invented our own language now. I actually understood what she said when she said weeboo wee. I'm a pickup. Call me a fat boy. How dare you? So we need to disable the collider. Do we have access to that? No, we don't. Public collide. Oh. It's like what's the word? Call and response. Weeboo, weeboo, weeboo wee, weeboo. Play dot collider dot trigger equals true. That way it just doesn't collide. Very good. Any more bugs? Any more bugs? Any more for any more? You still work, right? What? I don't like that that goes down there. That also probably shouldn't happen. Tank. Oh no, interior. Field. Why does it go from the fucking tires? Who fucking did that then? No, you should origin from the center. Right? Probably. That'll do. Cool. Oh yeah. Do you like the sound, Twixter? Do you approve? as our resident fire extinguisher specialist. Nice. I was hoping so. Shut the fuck up, Dharma. Shut the fuck up. Anything else I can think of? Ain't we good? Ain't we good? Alright, so, fuck you. So, question is now, how do I make this game more chaotic? If I've learned anything from Lethal Company videos, it's people like abject chaos. So how can I make the game more chaotic? Tip to making the extinguisher seem more... No, I do not. I don't want more work than is necessary. As long as it's the bare minimum for a fire extinguisher, that's good enough. But I'll hear you out, I guess. I'll hear you out anyway. Metal pipes. That's how the fuck do I integrate metal pipes? More boom kaboom. How do I add more boom kaboom? I see. It's currently trending. The fucking metal pipe sound. How else? Not the one you can bang onto the floor. Oh my god. I mean, yeah, I could. I'm talking about in the game. Ding ding ding. Isn't Mr. Blue Sky's actually an empty? Oh. Pog. Is that the tip to make them more realistic? Can you guys think of any other stations I could add? Not that there's any room. I see. Weeby. Weeby. Weibo. Weeby. Weeboo. I don't know why. Normally, like, the fucking TTS jokes, just, they get old after about, 5 times you spam them. But something about saying weeboo in that exact way the Vietnamese guy says it is just so catchy. It's addictive. Weeboo. Weeboo. I hate it. I hate how catchy and annoyingly addictive all these phrases are. What have you done to me? I'm actually going to be saying this like IRL now. I'll be saying weeboo to my parents. What else does a tank do? I was going to say grappling hook, but that's going to be really fucking hard to control. Could add like airstrikes. What the? Could add like airstrikes, But that's too much. Too much and too OP probably. Oh, it doesn't work with that accent. Thanks to Weeboo Wee. Oh, thanks to Tisman ADHD. Couldn't live without him. Yeah, I think this is enough. And I guess 2D games will never really have the abject chaos of 3D games. But honestly, after seeing like how funny some of the Lethal Company clips are with proximity chat, I really want to make like my next game. I really want to make it a proximity chat game. Don't know what, but and hopefully in 3D because fuck 2D. There's not enough assets. But 3D, you can kind of get away with different art style assets because 3D models don't vary that much art style wise. They're all just shapes. Rip a new one, will ya? I will not. Okay, well, there's no fucking constructive anything going on here, so let's see. Does the game end properly? No. It teleports me where? Right, teleports me to the waiting area. Needs to teleport. Actually, yeah, where's it going to teleport me to? When the game ends, where should you teleport to? We don't have a place for that. RNGG. Nah, that wouldn't really work with proximity chat. It needs to be a game with death. Or maybe RNGG could work. And you could die. They just have to have loads of like traps and things. It could just be a race from the start to the finish. Okay, no. I got no. Do I? To be fair, I kind of want to have a little break. Because I don't really know. Well, other than a respawn point that's actually on the military base. Should I just drop them from the sky? Actually, no, wait. I'm just chuck them out the back of the truck again. Chuck them all out the back. Fuck it, yeah. Where's intro? Intro. Then we'll do some brainstorming because I like to not be too focused on one thing. We'll do some brainstorming for my next game. You always got to plan ahead, you know. Probably won't be the car game. The car game I don't think is ever going to be a main project. That'll always be a side project. I can actually show you what how the car game is coming up. Why does that sound borderline racist? Public void teleport to truck. We can call this from other places. Weeboo. Didn't work. So we want to call this from game, I guess. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, CBA to have like. Yeah. Fuck it. We don't need this. Do need private intro. Hoppa. We do need Yeah, we don't. Why complicate things? Just chuck everybody out the back of a van. There's no need to overcomplicate this. just do this. There. Conding? No. But we will be coding. Noding, yes. Let's see who can spell coding the most wrong. Make it a competition. Boarding. Good start. Don't you brother me. Where's intro? Bro? There. Save. Oh, condings. Accordion. Yes. All right. Well, Twix has taken the lead. Has to at least have a hint of its original word. Acorn. Yeah. You see that? I think accordion still takes a cake though. Got more letters in common, you know, but just definitely not in the right order. All right. So if we did this, drafted. Then we game. Nice. You'll just get tracked out here. Cool. All right. Come again. Codomelon. I do like that one. No, Dharma, you definitely are not winning. You are not winning, son. Dude, I thought you guys said you wanted a non-sad playlist, but a lot of these songs have been sad. No, you become a vacuum cleaner. Jesus, get it right. Get it right. All right. Oh, shit. I shouldn't have built that. The wrong version. It's the next version, which is 1.11. Or 0.11. Build. So yeah, I can upload this and you guys can play around and break it. It needs breaking. Breaking in, you know? Like a good pair of shoes. Oh, god damn. I don't know why I'm so tired. I sleep for so long. Actually, to be fair, because I go to bed at like 8 in the morning now, wake up about 5 p.m. But I got woken up by my sister and her, not boyfriend, but like dating person, datey. They bought a Christmas tree today. And then they were fucking blasting Hamilton, because my room's directly above the kitchen. They were blasting Hamilton in the kitchen, so I did not get much sleep. Yeah, the dating person sent me a sketch drawing of Gemma with titties. I'm very uncomfortable. Yeah, I would be too. Come again? I remember Jumbo video on a couple of lamps. So I make a very simple binary computer as a counter. So I thought I would have a bit of a in a line as a crochet. Hog. I learned to do electricity. Learn to become an electrician. I don't know. Whatever that is. Give me build right now. Fucking make me. Fucking make me. Hello, Darth. Welcome, welcome. The pain. Yeah, TTS is on. Just in case you're wondering about the voices, they are not in your head. They are very much on stream. Maybe they're in my head. Maybe I'm just hallucinating. What is real? What is real? Anyway, building, pressing, whatever, same thing. Anyway, let's build this, send it off to Leaf so we can break it, and then we'll live happily ever after. Weeboo. Right, that was an unenthusiastic weeboo. Weeboo. My apologies. I bring shame to the weeboo name. No, what? Why is it over? What? Why is it 53? Shit, it's too big now. Okay. What's going on here? What's going on here? Then. Well, obviously, yeah, 98% of the fucking file size is textures. Light. Why are you 20 megabytes? Right. That should not be 20 megabytes. It's, I assume, because it's a PSD. Right. Look at all these, like, what is that? 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, 100. 140 of the megabytes is like, what, 7 different textures. Goddamn. And these are meant to be PSDs anyway. Wait, these aren't even being used anymore. Oh, shit. Wait a sec. Now that I have this... Okay, I'm going to have to delete this because it's... The hanger and stuff is still being, like, built with the game. Which isn't good. I'm just afraid if I delete these, what will happen? Should I back up now? I think I should back up now before I do anything I regret. Let me just check my... Actually, no, my GitHub doesn't have... GitHub's a public account. Right. So we go to tanked. Shut the fuck up, probably blip. Yeah, it's blip. For this, beginning of military. Commit. Might lag a little bit. Look at this, boys. I'm using GitHub. A normal person. I think I have to fetch. Alright, also, I really don't remember how this was. Oh, it's committing. Yeah. Just for backups. So there's some online. And it apparently uses, well, uses a lot less space than Google Drive. Because this is like, yeah. This only packages the non-library stuff, which I can generate at runtime anyway, so it's a lot smaller. But now I just need to remember... Oh, it's still committing. Take your time. Take your time. But it's all backed up online. Nice. Okay. There we go. Then we push. Now I probably lag out. Ugh. Can you play the game? I don't know. Can you? Okay, internet's not dead yet. In fact, it's not uploading that much, probably. Well, while that does that, figure out. Wait, is his name O? Yeah, who would have guessed? But you just browse my TikTok. Wait, pipe? Where's pipe? Gary, come home. Pipe. Where's Piper used? Yeah, these should not be like 4K or whatever the fuck they are. 2K. 20 megabytes. It's like you don't see it when you're doing the mini game, and on the map or in the interior, it looks like this small anyway. I need to sneeze. No, saying I need to sneeze makes me not sneeze. Fuck, I scared it away. Damn it. Here we go home. Up. Oh, it's done. Cool. Easy as that. That's how you back up, boys. Completely free. Online. Takes up a lot less space than Google Drive. Alright, so, first of all, pipe. You can be 512. See, that barely even changes anything. Hanging light. Oh, you're right. We need to delete these. No more hanging lights. The light we do use, so I might actually just open this. Let's save it as light.png, and let's see what the file size difference is. See if it shrinks it. So this is 50 kilobytes compared to this, which is 500. Wait, that did say 50, right? Yeah, so it's 1/10 the size. Don't know why it's 20 megabytes in here. I just need to replace everything. And also actually decrease it 24 or something. Doesn't need to be that high res. So we come back to Wave of Muse. I'm looking forward to it. Question mark. There we go. Looks exactly the same. Honestly, could probably decrease this even further. Wait, no, not that one. 512. Like, you can't even tell. Can I make... Oh, this is 64. Hello? These are using the right thing, right? Oh, no. They're still using that one. Wait, what? I thought I changed it. Yeah, there we go. That makes more sense. 64. Or 32. Increase it just enough. Because like the thinginess is also need to reposition them in the different sizes. That's good enough. That I don't even see them. Alrighty, so this one goes like I should make these two a bit. Hello. Well, should we say so? Stuck with me now. Alright, there we go. That one is literally fucking looks good. And it's only 256 pixels wide. God damn. That'll save us some space on the old light. So the light's on that. Hanging light, not going to be a problem because we don't have the thing anymore. Support beam, not going to be a problem. We don't have that anymore. Oh, wait, do we? No, we don't. Oh, we might. In the tank, if I remember. I might have reused it. These beams here. Thank you. Egg. Yeah, these use support beams. So how low can I make it? Texture-wise. That barely changes anything. But I'm going to just render it to a PNG first. Show me your face. Beam points to this one, so we want this. That's not right. What does this one use? Hey. Might as well use that. Done. Weeboo. How could I? How could I forget Weeboo? What do you take me for? A non-Weeboo? I'm a firm believer in the Weeboo. 128. That's too foggy. 256. Still too foggy. 512. That'll do. You're not going to notice a difference beyond that. Cool. Number 3, reduced. Icicles. Not going to be a problem. We don't have those anymore. Or do we? There might be some on the tundra. Oh no, it's a rock. That's fine. The map board. Why is that even being used? Board. Leaderboard. We don't even use a map board. Why is that being? The other support beam. Not going to be there anymore. Well, let's just see if this helps. Unless this is actually... They look askewed. Well, it's because they are. I made them like 2 seconds. But honestly, artwork-wise, I don't really give a fuck. It all looks terrible anyway, so you don't really notice. I guess I want to just redo all the art at some point. But for release, who gives a fuck? It's a free game anyway. What they can do? Complain. Let's build. See what this comes out to this time. So before it was 53. Megabit. Oh, you guys got any plans for next week? Yeah, company game. Oh yeah, true. But the thing is, they get away with like making shitty models because it's stylized, quote unquote. You know, it's all part of the style, so you can get away with shit looking art, which is what I should probably do. Just apply a filter over it that makes everything grainy, so you can't even tell anyway. Anyway, well, we don't actually need to play this. We just need to compress it. Dialyzing, saving indie game developers generations. Why are you still 52? Fuck you. Just what? Editor. Go to the bottom. God damn it. Search for percent. Scroll all the way up. A lot of stuff. Did Tony just welt me? Tony's leaving. Holy shit, there's a lot of stuff. I want to make sure I get the most recent one. What? So, yeah, look, they're all gone now, but it's still the same size. Gone from 98 to 97.9. What the fuck? I've removed... What? How does this work? Well, secondly, map icons. These can all be, like, 512. I'm saying now something. I see. It's just, I always go, well, when I'm about to leave. So to me, whelp is like, well, I'm done here. Yeah, I don't know why this is taking up so much room. What the hell? What the hell? Is it all of the cosmetics? You know what? Cosmetics. They're all 124. Oh, they're all pretty small anyway. Parallax layers. Pretty sure I reduced these anyway. Wait, where is this? Import. Oh no. Parallax. Aminos. Oh, yeah, these are all still very big. These are all blurred anyway, so like there's no point in them being high res. They've all got a filter applied to them. Let's see. I don't get why they're so large. Weeboo. Let's go. Pog. Oh, it's a 230 kilobytes. Why does it jump up to megabytes? Alien antenna. Guess that's not one. Party hat. Like the party hat. 230 kilobytes stored. And then fucking where is it? 3.6 megabytes. Let's see. Unity, right, file size larger than in asset. Larger in build than in assets. They've got uncompressed and recompressed. GPUs don't do PNG due to their parallel nature. The PNGs are bad. Interesting. Maybe it's in build settings. Max texture size. Texture compression. Do that. Let's try that. If that does anything. I mean, like, you're 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, you got a bunch of stuff. So, it's all coming. It's all coming. There's only so many songs you can play in a stream. You gotta prioritize. Prioritize the ones you like the most for the the limited time we have on this platform. All right, let's see if that did anything. Probably not. There we go. Sub 50. I can actually upload it now. There we go. Uploading. It's gonna get annoying when it's continuously above 50 megabytes. Because then I'm gonna have to upload to Google Docs, which is always fun. Google Drive. Let me guess. Internet dying? Oh, yeah. Lovely. Internet, come back to me. Very good. All right. Well, new build is up. Hope you're happy, Leaf. Wait, is Leaf still here? Who knows? Anywho, next up. Find some bugs in that if you can. But for me, show off what I've been doing with the card game, which I haven't really worked on recently. But let's close this actually. Save. But it's working on the plus side. Aw. Little Yembo. He's all snuggled up by the radiator because my sister's got her, datey, whatever it is. And I'll weeboo if I need you. But have a good weeboo. Boo. Yeah, he's snuggled up by the radiator because my sister's the person is around, and I don't know, this cat is so paranoid. He will not go like anywhere near any new people, any new smells or anything, noises. He's a very lonely cat, but he chooses it. Yeah, he always comes to my room for comfort. Anywho, look at this. Weeboo. All right, so these are the cards. The cards I have so far. Yeah. Yambo. So when you join a thing, so the Maui head does nothing. General Shepherd, you can kill your own cards, obviously. Annoying Orange takes up a slot on the enemy's board. Wolf Lady spawns 2 wolves. And King Ghidorah can attack 3 times. So I'm testing all of the different mechanics, Orange shows sort of where you can place stuff. I copied Hearthstone's like animation to a T. So like the way the cards are animated, that it'll grow, that it'll shrink and everything, that's directly ripped off from Hearthstone. I opened the game and I studied how the animation works, and that's how it works. So basically this game is just gonna be a Hearthstone copy. Yeah, Annoying Orange, you can place on their side. King Ghidorah can attack 3 times to wherever when it's your turn. Can't attack on the first turn it's played. This guy, normally you see the cards. I also need to make it so the cards don't overlap. Which, like that. Oh shit, that didn't work. Whatever. Deck of oranges, yeah. So I still have yet to balance it. I'm not sure if I should allow it, but I'm coding it so it's possible to make it so cards can go on the enemy board. But I'm not sure if I should. Still figuring that out, but it's just better to have the option to rather than not. Yeah, you see the Maui doesn't highlight King Ghidorah, but then General Shepherd, because he's a traitorous bastard, he can kill and override existing cards that you have. and Maui doesn't do anything; it just sits there. So yeah. Anyway, that's literally what I've done. It's been a while, but like I'm just getting the core, you know, fundamentals of the game, and this all works over the network. That's the most important thing. Animations come at the very end, but the code behind it's there. Anyway, let's open a new. Oh, I've already got one actually, because I was doing some brainstorming. The Untitled 3D game. New game that I'm gonna make after Tank Team is complete. But I like to brainstorm, just so I think about it early. Great, now I have to test. But yeah, a game that comes afterwards. It's always good to plan ahead. Oh, why did I do that? I didn't mean to do that. You know, I just realized something bad. You could stop, because you have to open your phone to leave the game. You could theoretically stop somebody from, like, leaving forever if you just kept blowing them up. Holy shit. I should have made this collidable. Missed opportunity. But to be fair, if I only put the bombs in one place, then it should be fine. So as long as you're not standing near the bombs, you should be able to leave. E. Oh, it works. Nice. Needs to not show that message, though. Let's see. Let's see if we can escape. See if we can break out of here. Hey, come back. See if we can break out. Launch me. Oh. Ah, not quite. Yeah, no, this isn't. I don't think it's possible, Leaf. Oh, he's got the vertical. Oh, verticality. Oi! Damn it. See you, Leaf. Wait, no. Don't let him leave. Don't let him leave. Damn it. Oh dear, what's this? Player line 2358. Oh, on destroy. That's fine. Cool. Well, that's good. Anyway, back to brainstorming. So, chaos, proximity chat, cooperation. Those are the kind of things that I feel like I want to make. You know? I feel like those are the most important things for a successful game. So my current game is PvP, which is good, but it relies on having enough people to play against. You can't just do it with your friends. It has to be your friends versus, an enemy team or another group of friends, which isn't the most accessible game. Which is going to limit my game, because if nobody plays my game, there'll be nobody to play against, and then that way only big friend groups can play my game, which isn't ideal. It kind of relies on the success of the game to make it successful, if that makes sense. But this game, I want it to be you can just play with some friends and fuck about for a little bit. But I got to make it replayable as well. It's got to be highly replayable. "3D Bomberman." I mean, there's so many Bomberman games. So many. In games, right? Not in real life. I hope. Because I know you drive. Cough. In Minecraft. I love to kill people in. Totally. Opium. So we are going RNGG route. It doesn't really have an objective as one of the main issues. There's nothing to work towards in RNGG. You just race for the sake of racing, but there's no like progression. So games like I don't know, Lethal Company and stuff, they have an objective at least. You have to meet quota, is it? What you do in Lethal Company? I vaguely remember people saying that in videos I've seen. You have to meet a quota or something. Actually, you know what? We're just brainstorming my next game. Not that I'm gonna get distracted and start working on this, but just I like brainstorming. It's a nice change of thing. Which way? Let's go. The driver why the drivers try to run over the bombers. Sounds like GTA. I feel like there's a mode in that for GTA. You know, also another thing. Bomb survival. Hold up. One at a time. I made this a mini game. Okay. Alright, bro. Alright. Little Big Planet. This was one of the most popular games on Little Big Planet. There were so many levels like this. And it's just a flat terrain that you run around on, and bombs drop. And points also drop. You just have to survive and get the most points and not blow up. But it destroys the terrain. Yeah. Everyone at some point has made a level like this. I made a level like this. It blows up the terrain, which is pretty cool. I am Carrot. Oh, by Dr. Leaf, I see. I see the joke now. Heck. But yeah. A game like this, maybe. Yeah. Imagine this. Well, it already has proximity chat with Little Big Planet. But I don't know. Too simple. Too simple. But one thing I like to do, look up like a game. Hello? Fucking Steam. Hello? Okay. Computer's just dying. You just like bombs, don't you? Okay, Steam's actually just fucked. It's actually just fucked. What? Why is it updating Among Us? Why? I don't want to download fucking Among Us updates. Damn. Wait. Well, of course, the Lethal Company's on the front page. All right. What I like to see is reviews. So you look at the negative reviews for games. One game needs greater goal. I had a feeling because I feel like after the gimmicks wear off, after you know what's coming, the gameplay ends. You know, it gets tedious. You know, dying to stupid stuff. So needing a goal, that's an important thing. Hence, you know, replayability. Lethal Company has replayability, but not the best. It won't last for like a very long time. It's very much a trend. You say bomb again, see what happens. Yeah, it is a bit repetitive. To be fair, it is early access, so like this is probably the worst time for it to peak because everyone's going to play the game in early access when there's not much stuff, and then it's going to fall off, and then they're going to add more stuff, and no one's going to be playing anymore. You know, unless they add like unless they really do their marketing well. Bomb weeboo. Okay, I understand now. I didn't understand before. Volleyball with... Okay, Dharma's just fucking... He's on a rant. He's on a tirade. Great game overall, but as much of a personal gripe this is, can't recommend it until the dev adds more indoor location variety. That was another thing. A lot of the videos I see, the indoor... Like, the random generation is very repetitive. Also, still early access, but, you know. So... One important thing is a lot of fucking variations of stuff. If you do random generation, you need to have a lot of random stuff. I feel like the game is already on the decline. Yeah, it's definitely peaked. No sex. There's one of these comments on every goddamn thing. Spawn count. See, yeah, you'll get things like this as well. The annoying stuff that's funny at first, you know, it's funny once, but then afterwards, dying to random bullshit stuff, that's going to put people off the game. You know? Goal is to lose. Oh, yeah, and that's another thing. You can't ever win. There is no, like, win condition. I feel like a win condition is necessary for a game. Yeah, every good game has some sort of win condition, usually. Unless, I mean, to be fair, it also is a roguelite. So, like, you're meant to die and try again, but... The monster diversity, though. Yeah, by the list of it, they've got some pretty cool ones. You know, Weeping Angel, Springhead Guy, the box. But then again, once you've seen it once, you know. Well, I guess you guys have played it, so I can't really judge. I've never played it, but does it like wear off? You know, the next time you see a monster, like, because you know what to expect, obviously. Like the monster gimmick, does that get does the scariness or the fun wear off the more you see the monster, or is it equally as scary as the first time? I guess it'll never be equally as scary. Does it? Yeah, does it fade off? How many monsters are there? Bruh. You've been talking to Avian and Guilherme way too much. Fucking Mona Lisa Benjamin. Goddamn. Absolutely no way to change key bindings. Wait, what? There isn't? Okay, that's like an essential thing. Yeah, you definitely need to have key bindings in your game. Need a way to select items using 1 to 4 on your number pad instead of a scroll wheel. That's also a key binding thing, I guess. Bendistries. Yeah, Bendistries. Wait, there's no fishing. Okay, no fishing. I don't know if it's possible to resume playing. It needs a lot of improving. Setup could be considered an outlier by performance range. High performance setups crashing frequently. Oh dear. That's me. Hello. Possibility of entrances being blocked in certain terrains. There is. These just all seem like bugs. So this isn't really a gameplay issue. These can be fixed. And yeah, crashing bugs can be fixed. That's just a while loop probably or something. Or optimization. Monsters can enter your ship regardless of their physique. Through, I've seen some pretty goofy clips. Like half their body isn't even in like the ship inside, but they're like just getting murdered by a giant or something. And actually, no, I've seen a lot actually. The environment isn't really designed for the monsters. Like the coil head like is constantly like clipping through the top of doors and stuff, which I guess can take you out of the immersion, out of the horror, because it's a horror game at its base. And if you see stuff like that, it makes it more of a comedy. Passage of time is not altered based on amount of players, so playing solo or duo is asking to lose. Yeah, that's an easy fix as well. That's just balancing. You can do that easily. Trying to find sort of like problems with the core concept of the game. Then write down notes and then do that, rinse and repeat. Isn't Benjamin the other dude? That is the most vague sentence I've ever read. The other dude. Yes, he is another dude. Strange path thing. There we get stuck, move back and forth and endlessly or straight up enter your ship. Outside empties are empty and pointless despite the place structures. Yeah, what is the point of the outside? For those that played it. What's the point in between like the interior and the ship, you know, or the randomly generated interior. And like, what do you do on the outside? Is it just the bit between that you carry stuff that it makes it, you're not just going from ship straight to interior? Maybe we should make a horror game. Horror seems to be pretty popular. You say probably. I thought you played it, haven't you? Okay, so that's just the thing to force you to go in. Wait, yeah, but no, why would it want... I guess to get most of the heavy lifting done before a certain time. That makes sense. Okay, explain why. I need to know so I can not do that in my next game. Very little long-term progress. Repetitiveness. You basically need to make a sandbox to not have a repetitive game, right? Because I guess every game will fall subject to repetitiveness if... I guess you can't, like, create your own stuff, you know? Hmm. To be fair, though, maybe the game only needs to peak once. You know, maybe it doesn't need longevity. Longevity. Maybe don't. He got the back. He sold like what 1.7 million copies or something like that for £10 or $10 each. Like, bro, set for life. At that point, just make another game. You know, fuck it. Maybe I shouldn't try and make a long. Yeah, maybe aiming for longevity isn't the thing. Maybe I need to make a viral game. Maybe that's what I need to do. Hmm. Maybe I should try and make a viral game. A game that does well on social media, because that's how this game blew up, right? It was the interactions, the proximity chat, the comedic timing of monsters murdering people, the horror aspect, because horror games always get loads of visibility on social media. All right, so replayability, probably not. I'm not trying to make Minecraft, I guess. And replayability also takes a lot more work. Yeah, funny clips. So proximity chat. Guess yeah, horror, but not too much horror. I think one of the appeals of Lethal Company is it's horror, but not really. You know, it's not that scary, at least from what I've seen. Not like true horror, because true horror would like make people not want to play the game. It'd be too scary for them. It's enough that it's like I guess the goofiness of them clipping through doors and stuff is Yeah, no, that's the thing. No, this isn't what I'm doing. This is just finding things that work for virality, I guess. But right now, yeah, we've only studied Lethal Company. What other games use proximity chat? Like Phasmo. Phasmo's got proximity chat. Oh no, let's see the reviews for Phasmo, because that one also went viral for a little bit. Also about £10. Also, £10 seems to be the sweet spot, because everyone's saying it's like cheap. I thought £10 was expensive for a game. Oh, £5 is cheap. But apparently £10 is cheap. Let's see, what's the consensus for Phasmo? 141 hours on record, so this guy knows what he's talking about, and he still gave it a negative review. The game was so much better before the leveling / equipment update, as it solely focused on finding the ghost through the items that you had and surviving it in case attacking, which made the game scarier and more enjoyable to casual players. After the leveling equipment update, the game turned from a casual horror game that you can enjoy with your buddies to a grind fiesta. So people don't like grinding. Non-grindy. What's that shot? TikTokable. Non-grindy. You have to farm levels and money in order to unlock and upgrade your equipment. Yeah, that's never a good feeling when stuff's locked behind having to play the game more. Like, But then sometimes it is. It's the fine line of balancing. I'm having an easier time identifying the ghost type. Because like sometimes I remember we couldn't even afford flashlights, and you can't even play the game without fucking flashlights. Hmm. Yeah, there's no. Well, then again, it is a roguelike. So like that is the point. You're meant to lose all your progress. So changing that would sort of change the fundamentals of the game. But maybe there could be a system. Ah, wait, the cosmetics per round? Wait, there are cosmetics? Everyone look the same to me. Oh well, yeah. If it doesn't do that, that's kind of stupid. When items are so garbage, it discourages new and even returning players from playing the game. Phasmophobia has lost its meaning of being a horror game through these updates, which promotes the idea of having players grind for levels and money through customizable difficulty. Ghosts are basically the same, with no unique ideas behind them. Behavioral and speed changes. Very small additions to some of them. I'll be able to use items in the new update. Yeah, a lot of these seem to be items and equipment stuff. Uh-huh. Yeah, that's stupid if you lose stuff in between rounds. That's just bad design. Yeah, this okay, so loadout equipment's being locked behind like leveling or money, I guess, grinding money because you lose it, right? The main issue is you lose it if you die, and you're gonna die in Phasmo. So I think if you didn't lose stuff when you died, that would make this game a lot better. Because then it's not a grind. Because you grind to unlock it, and then it's unlocked forever. You know, you get the high tier flashlights, or whatever. But you die once, they're gone. Then you have to buy them again, and if you can't afford it, you don't get them. 900 credits. I see. That's a lot, I assume. Well, Classic, 0.9. That's going to uninstalled after having the game for over 2 years. I'm supposed to grind. Yeah, it's all just grind. So Phasmo's mistake was it became too grindy. What other games? What other games are similar and have proximity chat? I would say Among Us, but it's not built in. I don't think. I guess we can check out. Anyway. To a new planet. Wait, you have to pay to go to a new planet? Yeah, I really need to play this game. See how it works. All guys. Yeah. Why did that fall off? Check that as well, because that's also kind of like too many children. There's no fixing that. Among Us Battle Pass. Unknown errors. Okay, a lot of this is just shitting on like, I guess how popular Among Us became over everything. About 1.5 ice caps. Very okay, yeah, and okay, most of the okay. There don't seem to be too many faults for Among Us. Actual faults. Hmm. A few planets, not all of them. Interesting. Game asks for your date of birth. Hmm. Hard for the colorblind, color deficient people. True, the game just, but that's also not too big. What's wrong with this? Oh, butts, tits, money. Yeah, that is a mantra to live by. Into everything from me. Now can I say sus and get blocked by women? Okay, so checking out the Among Us reviews is probably not a good idea. What Fall Guys do wrong? Wait, is this even on Steam? No, it's not on Steam. What's is that on Epic? What's it on? Summer Guys, I guess, is a close second. Was good before pay to win emotes. Pay to win. Yeah, don't want to be pay to win. Spent $100 on this free game. So pay to win. Is that you need to shell in money. Yeah, okay, so their issue was pay to win. Pay to win, pay to win, pay to win. In-app purchases. Yep. The death of any game. No. No. Micro. How about just like a base cost? $10 or whatever. Yeah. Alright. What other games? Actually, wait. Is there like a way you can see similar games? Apex Legends, bro. Sea of Thieves. That's proximity chat. That fell off, so that's definitely gonna have fun game, if a bit shallow and repetitive. But of course repetitive. Absolutely ruined by the huge incentive for players to just be jerks. Great gameplay, though I wish it wasn't repetitive. Yeah, the game is like really repetitive. That I played it. That was my issue with it. It was just kind of do the same thing, and the worst thing as well wasn't that it was repetitive. It's that it was repetitive, and you could lose it all if some fucking giant ship just spots you and murders you. You know? Which I guess is part of the tension, stakes, but like, I hate that. I hate that someone else can just steal all the time you spent, like a matter of minutes, just because they've been playing the game longer. Being bullied. 3,000 hours. Damn. That's sarcasm, or you've actually... That also sounds just like Stardew Valley, you know, but that was really popular. Also, cheating problem. Yeah. That I hate. It loves cheaters and no desire to do anything about it. So cheaters and repetitive, and you can just have all the repetitiveness not even worth it because it all just gets stolen. PvP is bad. Yeah, they don't like that. Okay. How can I apply that? Guess that's just a thing of like players being more OP than others. No pay to win. Pay / play to win. No, pay or play to win. The pay to win's obvious. The play to win less so. Like that back in WoW, you know, if you enable PvP in the open world back in the day, or they scaled everything, and like a level 60 comes along and you're level 20, they'll just one shot you because they're level 60, and it was just no fun. And then they'd camp your body and you couldn't even respawn. And that's literally all they did. They just went around trolling. It was the worst part of the game. And that's just because they played longer than I had, and I had no, you know, alternative characters to come on and battle them with because I was still leveling. So why did I make that capital G? Okay, so I think that's enough points. Ugh. So, what could this game be? TikTokable game with proximity chat. So proximity chat. The virality comes from like being able to die. Can die, but death needs to be fun too. Right? That's another thing that I don't like about games that you can die in. Siege, stuff like that. When you die, you just have to spectate other people having fun, you know, just because you're bad at the game or whatever. I don't like that. I like it when you can actually do stuff when you're dead. I think Among Us kind of fixed this by making like a guardian angel role or something like that. But, like all you do is spectate. So in this game, when you die, you need to be able to do something. If anything, it might be more fun to die, you know, and then troll people afterwards or something. But like a lot of the clips, the viral clips, are people, you know, being murdered, and it's funny because they die and they don't come back. So I need to add like an afterlife or something. But it does it not get boring just watching them, you know, because they've got to, you know, go back and forth just carrying stuff. Like, is there anything you wish you could do while you were dead? Would you like to be able to like possess an item or something? Kind of like how in Gmod, was it prop hunt, murder? One of the things you can like possess items and then like roll yourselves around. It's not really like anything, but like it's something to do, and people can see it. They're still alive at least. Like a possession mechanic might be quite funny. Or you can just spectate. Or the option to spectate should always be there. And always spectate. So by default you spectate, but if you want to, you can like still fuck with people that are alive. That's what I like. You're not just sat there watching if you don't want to. But if you like to watch, you can. So the horror aspect is also another reason why this game does so well, because of the jump scares. That creates a lot of TikTokable moments. So is there any other way you can sort of have that visceral reaction to people that doesn't include horror? Otherwise, I'm just going to have to make a Lethal Company cologne. I also want to do something different. I want to take the good aspects of Lethal Company, you know? But then, obviously, put it on my own game. And like Among Us works because you're against teammates or friends. And it's all the yelling at each other and accusing. Weeboo! That goddamn Tony out here. Pog. We're brainstorming. We're brainstorming. Maybe I should look up TikToks. Actually, no, there's going to be a lot of screaming. I don't feel like blowing out my eardrums just yet. And or getting tinnitus. So if we're applying this to like RNGG, it's going to be repetitive. It's going to be repetitive, but hopefully if I add enough modifiers and enough like random generation, enough variety, because you know one of the feedback things for Lethal Company was there's not enough variety in the random generation. And maybe, yeah, maybe it just needs to be a shitload of like rooms before I even release like the pre-alpha or whatever it is, early access. Oh, yeah, shit, that's it. That's the missing key. I found it. The metal pipe. Bass boosted as well. Don't forget that. Oh no, I just said RNGG. The racing game. But the variety, because RNGG is all about RNG, you know? For those that don't remember RNGG, it's the game where you race from start to finish on a randomly generated map with random modifiers applied every time. So like inverted controls, anti-gravity, bouncy, whatever. But it needs to be really random. I guess the whole game is literally called RNGG, so yeah. the variety and randomness should be large enough that it lasts longer than Lethal Company's RNGG did. That's at least the thought. So and it's a racing game, but people like progression, right? And also cooperation. How do I teams? But I don't know. We need to add cooperation and also just like funny random things that happen. I would say add monsters to the map that can murder you. And instead of dying, you just get set back to the previous checkpoint. It'd be equally as funny, you know? Would it have momentum? I don't know. Probably not too much, no. It'll be kind of like, is it Only Up? Just a simple character controller. Because I don't want it to be too mechanically challenging. Or like, I don't want the skill ceiling to be too high. Or it's just, a basic person running around. And they can climb up stuff. You know, a simple character. But, what was I saying? Oh yeah, momentum. Yeah, I don't want momentum because then you could have one speed run in a game that just fucking annihilates everyone because they've reached the skill ceiling, and just blast through in like 2 minutes. I want it to be a really simple, or like crap game, stuff like that. Oh yeah. That's one of the modifiers. Actually, wait, do I have RNGG? I actually have a thing for this. Do I not? Where I do. Oh, I do. Yeah. Here's the old RNGG. Not random game. RNGG. So one of the things was swapper. Every 30 seconds, all players swap places. So oh no, we're not talking about Tank Team. This is my next game. This is gonna be a 3D game that I make after Tank Team. Just so if I think too much about Tank Team, my head's gonna explode. So I like to have a side, or like I like to think plan ahead, And in this one, we're thinking of a new 3D game I can make, trying to learn from previous games' mistakes. Take the good parts, leave out the bad parts. And if I can, continue on with RNGG, which was my previous game that I was working on, which was just a race game where you get from start to finish, and the map is randomly generated from start to finish, and there's random modifiers applied. You can change how many modifiers every time. And some of them will be like, you swap positions every 30 seconds with players. Somebody in first place could get put to last place, stuff like that. But if you could die, that'd also be great. I guess it's kind of like crab game, but you can respawn, and it's like the racing games in crab game, where you have to get to the end, except you can respawn. Or is it Fall Guys? No, it might be Fall Guys. It's like a Fall Guys map, except actually no. Is this just Fall Guys? Wait, this is just Fall Guys, yeah, except with random modifiers. Or, the basic Fall Guys map. So there's got to be a bit more to it than that, Because otherwise people might as well just play Fall Guys. What do I do? Maybe a theme. Maybe you should think of the theme first. Oh no. Or do you do mechanics first or then theme? Probably think of the mechanics, design a theme around the mechanics. Yeah. Wizardy, yeah. That would work actually for a random game. Because, magic. You just explain anything random happening as magic. Yeah, I'm not sure if I should, because I obviously don't want to make a game that already exists. Because that's just a waste of time. I want to make something new. It usually comes by combining two games. Like Tank Team was just a combination of like Lovers in a Dangerous Space Time and the old Flash tank game. Like the best games come from just combining two old games. So, I mean, Tank Team has potential, but how do I make it differ enough from Fall Guys? How do I make it TikTokable enough? I guess if I go like overboard on the traps, maybe it's like you know, Indiana Jones escaping the temple of the something or other. The first one, the first movie, I think. Running away from the big boulder. There's like shitloads of traps. Maybe I just make a thing like that. It's almost like Temple Run. There's shitloads of traps that you die gruesome deaths. A lot of them you can't see, so they come out of nowhere. Hence TikTok ability. Now this is just sounding like Death Run in Gmod. Like, every game has really been made, hasn't it? No wonder it's so hard to innovate. Games that do, that's why they tend to blow. That's like why Among Us sort of, it was a thing nobody had ever really tapped into before. Video game. They had in like Mafia and stuff. That was only ever like a card game. Innovating like that. Almost impossible now. How long's the stream going on? Just before I lose track of time. Ah, shit. 3 hours. How the fuck did that happen? Probably enough talking to myself. I think I'm too hungry to think at the moment anyway. I'll do for now. do for the day. Anywho. Yeah, I'll see you boys. Well, we'll see if I make it to tomorrow. I hope I don't burn out by streaming every day. We'll see. But we made some progress. We got a whole new build up, so that's good. Playable. We need to beat Leaf's score though. We need to beat, what was this food? Food. Score. I need to eat food. What was this score? That one. 2 minutes 9 seconds. Yeah, we need to beat that. Maybe we'll do that tomorrow. Take a break from developing. Oh shit, the shadows behind the rain. Whatever. Anywho, yeah, I'll do it. I think that'll do it. But yeah, it's good progress. I mean, most of the tent is new. Bench is old but new. Table. Spectate board. Need to make this place look nicer. Bring in the bunker and stuff. Make this collidable. Fix that shadow issue there. And yeah. No rest for the wicked. True. I can organize another session. I actually plan one. But then I'm gonna need to find a new opponent. Maybe we can challenge Glow. Yeah, we'll see. Yeah, next weekend. Yeah, I'll be playing it. I'm gonna have to play it quite a lot to make as many TikToks as I can. I haven't played it in the past couple of days, so I haven't any new content to upload. Bad. It's bad. I need to mark it. The thing with TikTok is it's sort of a game of momentum. You come back after a long break, you don't get promoted as much. But, it's what, started out there, 1.1k, 1.5, 1.7. It goes up gradually. And then you get a hit, and then it just fucking promotes you to everyone. Yeah. So I'm going to keep throwing shit at the wall until some of it sticks. That's the plan. But anywho, boom. Thank you all for coming. And I'll, see you tomorrow, I guess. I don't think I'm doing anything tomorrow. Don't do anything any day. But bye-bye. Day 4, Tankmas. Pog, let's go. See ya. Bye, Weeboo. The whole lot. Ta-ta.